Group 7. Long, sound. As in, bird, work, world. Word, work, world, Burma, sterling, first, hurt, church, dirty, verse, word, world, girl, early, certain, observe, permanent, university, birth, rebirth, use, usually, include, Kathmandu, Thursday, hermit, hermitage, herd, verse, worship, herbal, return, journey, work, world, worse, commercial, university, occur, occurrence, merge, birth, return, impermanent, impermanence, hermit, hermitage, purpose, permanent, impermanent, hurt, observe, blurt, journey, return, preserve, murky, external.